Alright folks, here comes Amtrak train number 4T, Starlight. Your northbound train to Seattle, going by the Oakland Coliseum station. P42 201 with the EMD steel bell on there. And followed by 176 telling. So this is Amtrak Coast Starlight, train number 14. This train is running 1 hour late behind schedule. And also, shout out to Eric Fong for letting me know about this train at San Jose Deer Station. Okay, here it comes. There it is, 201, 176. That train is going to Seattle. Next stop, Oakland, London Square. Once again, shout out to Eric Fong about that Coast Starlight 14 he saw at San Jose and alerted me that. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Have a good night. Stay dry. Bye-bye.